Hey guys, are you want to buy best car battery chargers? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best car battery chargers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Noco Genius10 Smart Battery Charger. The Noco Genius10 is a compact yet powerful battery charger, improving upon the G7200 with a 17% smaller design and over 115% more power. More than just a charger, it serves as a battery maintainer, trickle charger, and desulfator, making it an all-in-one solution. Compatible with both 6V and 12V lead-acid, AGM, gel, SLA, VRLA, and LiFePO4 lithium batteries, it works seamlessly with cars, motorcycles, ATVs, marine batteries, and more. Its integrated thermal sensor ensures precise charging by adjusting output to ambient temperature, preventing under or overcharging. With the ability to charge batteries as low as 1 volt, or revive completely dead ones using force mode, it's a reliable choice for recovering neglected batteries. The Genius10 also includes pulse charging technology to reverse sulfation and acid stratification, extending battery life, packaged with long cables, clamps, eyelet terminals, mounting hardware, and backed by a 3-year warranty. The Genius10 is a smart, worry-free charger that delivers outstanding versatility and performance. Now our second product is Yonhan Battery Charger. This 20A LiFePO4 and lead-acid battery charger is a versatile and powerful solution for maintaining and repairing 12V and 24V batteries. Offering 12V20A or 24V10A output, it charges significantly faster than traditional 6A or 10A chargers, making it ideal for cars, trucks, ATVs, motorcycles, boats, tractors, and more. With its 7-stage smart charging system, it not only charges but also maintains and repairs batteries, extending their life. The charger features seasonal modes, winter and summer, that automatically adjust to temperature changes, preventing overcharging or undercharging. Its advanced pulse repair mode helps recover idle or weakened batteries, although it cannot revive fully dead ones. For long-term storage, it automatically switches to trickle/float charging, keeping batteries fresh through winter or holidays. Safety is prioritized with reverse polarity, overcurrent, overcharge, short-circuit protection, and a built-in cooling system. The extra-large LCD screen clearly displays voltage, current, temperature, and charging status. Reliable, efficient, and packed with safety features, this charger is a must-have tool for battery care. Our third product is Nexpeak 10-amp battery charger. The 10A quick battery charger is a reliable and efficient solution for maintaining and repairing 12V and 24V lead-acid batteries, including AGM, GEL, SLA, and flooded types. Delivering 12V10A or 24V5A output, it charges faster than standard 5A or 8A chargers without harming battery life, making it suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, lawnmowers, and more. Its trickle charging mode is perfect for long-term battery maintenance during holidays or seasonal storage, preventing self-discharge and avoiding sudden failures. With 8 built-in safety protections, such as reverse polarity, overcurrent, short-circuit, overcharge, and temperature compensation, it ensures safe and worry-free charging in all conditions. The charger also features advanced pulse repair technology, designed to combat sulfation and acid stratification, restoring performance and extending battery life. A large LCD screen clearly displays charging status, voltage, current, and modes, making monitoring simple. Easy to use with plug-and charge functionality, it also doubles as a battery maintainer, desulfator, and trickle charger, a must-have for any garage. Now number 4, Schumacher Electric 6A Car Battery Charger. This advanced 5-in-1 battery device is a powerhouse designed to start, charge, maintain, test, and recondition batteries, all in one unit. Delivering 100 amp engine start power, it provides an instant boost for gas or diesel vehicles, while its 30 amp to 12 amp boost and 6 amp to 2 amp charging modes make it versatile for different needs, compatible with both 6V and 12V standard, AGM, gel, and deep cycle batteries, it offers wide utility across cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and more. The Smart Trickle Charge function safely maintains batteries over long periods, preventing overcharging or damage, which is ideal for vehicles in storage. A standout feature is its battery reconditioning mode, using advanced desulfation to restore performance and extend lifespan. Additionally, the built-in battery and alternator tester gives quick, accurate diagnostics, saving time and guesswork. With reverse polarity protection for safety, this device combines power, reliability, and convenience, making it an essential tool for both everyday drivers and automotive enthusiasts. And our last choice is Teisqi Car Battery Charger. The Teisqi 12V6A car battery charger is a reliable all-in-one solution for charging, maintaining, and repairing lead-acid batteries. Suitable for cars, motorcycles, SUVs, boats, lawn mowers, and more, it works with AGM, GEL, SLA, and flooded batteries. Its 6A quick charge function ensures faster charging without compromising battery health. Equipped with advanced pulse repair technology, the charger detects sulfation and acid stratification, helping restore battery performance for stronger starts and extended life. While it cannot revive completely dead batteries, it is highly effective for maintaining and rejuvenating weak ones. Ease of use is another strong point. Simply plug and charge, with no complicated setup required. The large LCD screen provides real-time charging details, including voltage, current, temperature, percentage, and seasonal modes. For long-term storage, the float/trickle mode keeps batteries fresh throughout winter or holidays. With built-in protections such as reverse polarity, overcurrent, overcharge, cooling, and fireproof materials, the Teisqi charger ensures safe, efficient, and worry-free battery maintenance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.